Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. Happy New Year to you all. I'm back here in Hong Kong on the second day of the year, and I had a package waiting for me. It's none other than the Pitaka Air Pal Mini for AirPods Pro. Now, you may have heard of this company, Pitaka. It's the first time you've seen them here on Frankie Tech, but they reached out to me about checking out these Air Pal Minis for my AirPods Pro. As you know, I use my AirPods Pro quite a lot, so I wanted to check these out, and I am curious about this company. You may have heard of them pretty recently. They do a lot of, these aramid fiber cases, these very kind of cool, kind of Kevlar looking type cases, and I really do appreciate the look and the style of their products. So I'm going to link in the description there for more details of this product, but just to show you guys here what they did send me. See, selected 600D aramid fibers, and this is a highly protective modern AirPods case made from selected aramid fibers, selective luxury material, silky and soft touch, bulletproof protection, stylish and elegant. Now, I do use the AirPods. I've been using them naked for all this time, so this unit probably itself might not be the best one to do, but if you do buy AirPods Pro, or if you just got AirPods Pro for Christmas or for birthday or something like that, it may be worth picking these up considering how expensive the AirPods Pro are. So let's look at the back of the box before we open up, and you can see here kind of the styling of this thing, and it even has a little carabiner clip which should be easy to use. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up in 3, 2, 1. There we go. It says thank you, just a quick start guide, it appears, and it shows you how to remove the AirPods Pro as well as how to install the AirPods Pro. Looks very clear there. Looks like you can scan this QR code to get warranty, up-to-date information, and priority customer support. Expiration 30 days after purchase. I'll definitely be using that right there. And there they are, the Air Pal Minis for AirPods Pro. They look pretty nice. Let's take it out of the case and have a feel. So you can clearly see the branding there, and upon first feel, I gotta say, very nice soft touch feel. You really do feel the fibers in there. There is a bit of a soft touch feel, but I can definitely still feel the ridged fiber, and I can definitely appreciate the fact that this is a very light case. It shouldn't add much weight, on the top and bottom here to the AirPods Pro. And let's look at the carabiner. Nice simple carabiner, which should be very useful if you want to carry this around in your backpack or kind of wallet that you use. This will be very useful also if you want to carry them on, let's say, your belt, or if you just want to keep them in a safe spot inside your bag. This carabiner is a welcome addition, and you can kind of see it there. There's a reusable washable gel. You want to peel this off, and I just removed the little piece of sticker that was covering, and there is this kind of gel right here on the bottom. It's pretty sticky, and that should actually help to hold the top part together. So let's go ahead and do that now. Actually, we're supposed to put in this part first, so let's go ahead and stick in the case. Now, my AirPods Pro have been used naked, and they are pretty scratched up already. I wish I'd had something like these Air Pal Minis right from the start. It would have been a very welcome addition here. Let's go and press it down, and a nice snug fit. Very nice indeed. And now I think you flip it the other way right here. There we go, yep. And now that gel should make a contact in there. Ooh yeah, and that's a nice snug fit. And you can see it there already. And there are the Pitaka Air Pal Minis for AirPods Pro. They definitely do feel very snug now. And that adhesive inside, that gel, inside, is definitely now a snug fit there. Now let's see how these look. Pretty cool, and a nice stealth look here. You do have a little bit of kind of opening in the back because you need that for the hinge, like so. But overall, pretty impressive here. I do appreciate the kind of look of these. That Kevlar look is something that I do like. And I gotta say, let's see how they fit in a pocket. I'll just go ahead and throw that in my pocket right now. Feels pretty good. And it's a nice way to protect your investment of AirPods Pro in a better way. Let's go ahead and put the carabiner on. And there we go. The Air Pal Minis for AirPods Pro. A nice way to take care of your AirPods Pro in a stylish 600D aramid fiber case. Now, this is clearly a very kind of specific niche type of case for a niche type of product, but I do know that Pitaka does a bunch of other smart cases, smartphone cases for a lot of other phones. So they do have a lot of cool aramid fiber type products available. Go ahead and check them out there in the description. I'll leave it there, and all the details of this Air Pal Mini you can go and check out if you want to pick those up for your AirPods Pro. If you do have AirPods Pro, congratulations. You have just joined probably one of the best Bluetooth experiences on the market here with AirPods Pro. And I think this is a nice way to kind of show the love to the AirPods Pro to get them nice and protected with this Air Pal Mini. Anyways, just a quick video here, guys. Back in town, gonna get into the swing of things again with new phone reviews, with new tech reviews, all sorts of stuff. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun 2020 here, and I can't wait to get started. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. So thanks once again, guys. A happy new year to you all. And let's get this year started. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.